美国白宫昨宣布讲，要伫白宫来打造一间650人通使用的宴会厅，9月就要动工哦。2029年，川普落任进前通使用，这嘛是70多年来白宫上大规模的翻修工程，需要2亿美金的费用，是由川普甲伊的支持者来负担。
The White House is one of the most beautiful and historic buildings in the world. Yet the White House is currently unable to host major functions, honoring world leaders in other countries, without having to install a large and unsightly tent approximately 100 yards away from the main building's entrance.
白宫31宣布9月份会启动重大改造。白宫的东兵厅会新起一间大间的宴会厅。结果川普登基以来，讲白宫宴会厅无够大间。有当时就爱伫南边的草坡大布棚来招待人客，变若落雨，互穿水衫来遮参加宴会的人客是会感觉真无方便。
The White House State Ballroom will be a much-needed and exquisite addition of approximately 90,000 total square feet of innately designed and carefully crafted space with a seated capacity of 650 people, which is a significant increase from the 200-person seated capacity in the East Room of the White House.
这是1952年以来白宫上大规模翻修的计划。按照2029年川普卸任进前会完工。白宫强调讲，这是一个伟大的遗产，卖予未来宴会更加体面，符合百姓的期待。工程按算会开2亿美金，费用会由川普本人甲私人捐赠者的捐款来支付。
No government to help us now.
川普是房地产开发商出身的，介意奢华的风格。7月份，伊已经甲长途型的办公室重新换过，嘛增加真侪金箔的装塔，甲小天使等等的元素，而且嘛伫南北2边的草坡啊，采大机的机啊，玫瑰园嘛已经拢吐白啊，当咧做改装的工程。宴会厅伫咧起的期间，第一夫人梅兰妮亚原底伫咧当厅的办公室，嘛暂时搬离开。公司新闻是会中朋友。